I'm Shelly Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to talk about how to set up your new e-learning platform. So I'm here in my dashboard, and the first thing I need to do is add the new app to my app collection on my home page. So to do that, I'm just going to go down to the very bottom where it says Install More Tools, and I'm going to click that, and it's going to take me to the entire list of tools that I have available to add to my dashboard. And I'm just going to keep scrolling down until I find the new e-learning platform. So I'll scroll all the way to the bottom, and here it is at the bottom. So I'm just going to click, and that activates it, and then I can go over here and click Add, and that's going to add it to my home page. And now I can go to the dashboard again, so I'll go back to the home page. And here's all of my apps again, and usually when you add a new app to your home page, it'll throw it all the way down to the bottom of the list. So if I go all the way down to the bottom, we see that the new e-learning is there. Now I can take that and drag it anywhere I want to drag it, so I can have it exactly where I want it to be able to access it easily. Once I have put it exactly where I want it, then all I need to do is click enter, and I can start creating my new e-learning course. I'll see you in the next video.